Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a basic, easy spaghetti and meatball dish, which will be very simple and quick to make. We will start with a can of 29 ounces of pure tomato puree, and we will add onions, peppers, garlic, and seasonings to it. So, if you like it, hit the subscribe button and the like button. It would be so greatly appreciated. It will help the channel grow. So let's get into the recipe. 8-inch saucepan. In which we will add our 1 small onion, 1 bell pepper, and 2 cloves of garlic, and saute until the onions are translucent and the bell peppers are crisp tender. This shouldn't take more than 5 minutes to saute. Okay, we'll let that saute, and then when that is finished, we'll add the rest of the ingredients to our saucepan. So the onions, peppers, and garlic. They'll saute perfectly now. We will add our 29-ounce can of tomato puree. Rinse the can slightly to get everything out. Add it to our sauce. Now we'll add our spices to the sauce, which is a half a teaspoon each Italian seasoning, basil, and oregano, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red crushed pepper seeds. We will add that to our sauce. Okay, on to the meatballs. We have 3/4 cups breadcrumbs, a pound of ground beef. To this we're going to add 1/3 cup of milk to the breadcrumbs. We'll mix them to incorporate. To this we're going to add 1 tablespoon of parmesan Reggiano cheese, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a teaspoon of garlic powder. We'll mix that. To this we'll add our 1 pound of 85% lean, 15% fat to make our meatballs. We'll blend this well with our hands. Mixing it until everything is completely incorporated, trying not to over mix if we can help it. for a more tender meatball, the less you have to mix it. But you need to get it all incorporated. Keep mixing it until you don't see any more breadcrumbs. And then you have accomplished your mixing. Then we will form this into 8 meatballs, which we will simmer in our sauce for 30 minutes. And while that's simmering, we'll put our pasta water on to boil. Okay, that looks good enough. Try to divide this into take 8 meatballs, do it in quarters, and then take each quarter, break it in half, form our meatballs. Sometimes you get one that's a little oversized. Just take that out and add it to one of the little smaller ones. As long as they're basically close to being the same, it's good. Now we will take these and put them into our sauce so they can simmer. Rinse my hands. Go over to the sauce. And I will give the sauce a quick stir. It's nice and simmering. And we'll add our meatballs. Okay, our sauce and meatballs are simmering nicely. It's been just about 30 minutes, so they'll be done. Pasta water has come to a boil, in which we're going to add some salt to water. This is the only time you'll actually be able to season your pasta. You'll literally salt your water. And then add 1 pound of pasta to your boiling water and cook it to the directions on a particular brand of pasta that you bought. I generally cook my pasta around 8 minutes and check it for the doneness that you like. I like mine a little al dente. So we'll set my timer to 8 minutes. Sauce is simmering. Meatballs are done. We're going to serve it family style, and it'll be time to eat. I hope you enjoyed this video. It means a lot to me that you do. And if you did, I'd appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. It would help me out a lot to see if you like what I do, and I can make more videos. Make some on making Italian bread, grinder rolls, hoagie rolls, biscuits, hot dog hamburger rolls, other dishes. So, be back in 7 minutes. Okay, the sauce is looking really good. The meatballs are done. The pasta is just about done. We'll check it for doneness. It's been 8 minutes. Let's see what we have. to 9 minutes for this brand of pasta, and it should be perfectly done. I'll give the meatballs and the sauce a little stir while we wait. Looks really good. And we'll plate this up family style, and it'll be time to eat. In another video, I'll show you how to make a basic, easy Italian bread. It would go very good with this meal. We'll make another video on that. Okay, 9 minutes worked out perfect for the pasta. We'll take and drain it and plate it. Okay, while that's draining, we'll take the meatballs out of the sauce. Okay. Take and plate the pasta on a dish. Place the rest of the sauce in a side dish, so you can add as much or as little sauce as you like on your pasta, served family style.